In this quick video, I will show you how you can easily group our new 2021 assessment titles into a handy group so that anybody can refer back to the 2021 titles easily, especially if your library is getting quite large with a number of assessment topics. So the first thing I'm going to do is just create a new group. So I go to the top, under Library, under KnowledgeSmart Tests, Show Groups. I'm going to call my group my 2021 group, and I click Create. So my group is now being created. I go back to All Tests. I quickly apply a test name search parameter or filter, and I'm just going to use 2021. So very quickly the list of assessment titles are filtered down for me. I can then do a select all and just say add to my new group for me, and that's being done. And just in case I didn't catch the rest of the titles on page 2, because I've got quite a big library here, I'm just going to do the same on page 2 and add those to my 2021 group. So once I've got my 2021 group, I can easily split this between MEP, structure, architecture, how I want to further segment my group. My aim here is just to show you how handy it can be to use grouping when you are managing your library content. If you do not see the 2021 titles in your library yet, they should be added for you very soon, or you can always just request it from your customer success manager.